Welcome to the latest installment of Tom's Hardware. Today we're talking about AMD's newly released range of Ryzen 5000 x 3D CPUs and the gaming benchmarks that have been revealed by AMD. For gamers, the Ryzen 7 7800 x 3D may well turn out to be the go-to CPU for this generation, and unsurprisingly it's being compared to Intel's flagship model, the Core i9-13900K. So let's jump in and see what the benchmarks tell us. According to AMD's own benchmarks, it looks like the Ryzen 7 7800 x 3D chip is a clear winner in the gaming stakes over the Core i9-13900K. AMD are claiming that the chip is 20% faster on average over the Intel offering across their benchmarks, with a 24% win in Horizon Zero Dawn, a 23% win in Red Dead Redemption 2, an 18% win in Total War: Three Kingdoms, and a 13% win in Rainbow Six Siege. Taking a wider look at the gaming performance of the Ryzen 7 7800 x 3D, we can also make a comparison to the recently released Ryzen 9 7950 x 3D, and it's fair to say that the performance difference is pretty small, just a 5% difference in Horizon Zero Dawn and a tie in Rainbow Six Siege. This implies that the 7800 x 3D will offer nearly the same level of gaming performance as the flagship model, but at a much more affordable price, a difference of $250. We look forward to putting this to the test in our review, which is due to be released next month when the 7800 x 3D goes on sale. Perhaps the most surprising thing about this benchmark unveiling was the silence surrounding the 12-core Ryzen 9 7900 x 3D. No official benchmark stats were provided by AMD and no reviewers were given the chance to sample it. Once the 7950 x 3D was released and we reviewed it, it was apparent why this was the case. The 7900 x 3D simply had a lackluster performance when compared to its pricier flagships, so there's no reason to waste time and money sampling it when the Ryzen 7 7800 x 3D gives nearly the same performance as the 7950 x 3D but for a lot less. This could cannibalize sales of the higher-end CPUs, and with the Ryzen 7 7800 x 3D set to arrive next month, we can't wait to see what AMD have to offer with the latest generation of Ryzen CPUs. Be sure to come back to Tom's Hardware next month to see our review of the Ryzen 7 7800 x 3D and to find out whether the benchmarks will stand up or not. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.